hostel. So I'm sure there were times when she came off from being Miss Mary Fernandez to girly. She let her hair down and had a ball with all of you hostelites. Can you tell us something about it?
Well, Mary was always involved with her work. So, in fact, when she did come to the room, she was dead beat. And she would hit the bed, goes after meticulously having a bath and washing the shoe, down to the shoes, ready for the next day. Otherwise, and she was back on her bed with the books on the lap. And of course, swearing at the diagrams and the English.
But I think there were quite a number of trips to the Kino Theatre every now and then.
Oh, those were days. Every weekend we used to hit the theatres.
Did you know that side of Mary existed? Oh, well, I have something more for you. Wait. Now, Mary was a great, great fan of
Shashi Kapoor. There you are.
So, could you tell us a little more about her secret crushes and what she said and what she felt when she saw him on screen and when she came back and how she went on and on
2
about
movies a day,
Shashi Kapoor.
we did it. From one show to the next, and we did it.
A very Bollywood savvy Mary today. And what did she do in her spare time in the evenings other than these children? They just can't draw. Must be having sawdust in their brains, child. I don't know how many times to tell them. One hard rap is what they need.
It was the same comments that most of you heard in class. While she was correcting your books in the room, as she used to keep swearing and saying, I wish I could fling this a mile away. This is just not fit for an ICSE standard. And Mary was so particular about those dots and spots and perfect lines. No disjointed lines for a diagram or erasing. And recalling one situation where Rama Kasturi, some of you may remember her, came back from the States on a visit with her husband, and she said this to her husband. She said, you always talk to me and say that I'm a perfectionist in everything. She says, here, this is the reason. She says, look at that. She says, this was the one who caused it all.
Always in the habit of snacking. Miss, what has Mary's greatest strength been?
Her smile.
Full marks. What is she afraid of?
Nobody.
Nothing. Okay. What does she rely on?
Prayer.
Her passion?
The washing machine. She loves to wash.
Yeah, Miss Mona says even 12 o'clock in the night you'll catch Mary washing.
And
What touches her most, Miss?
God's love.
I know one thing for sure. She can't stand men wearing unpolished shoes. That's the first thing she'll notice even before she looks at them. What else?
Clothes not ironed. They have to be ironed beautifully.
And I thought you said something about socks.
Socks, she doesn't like red socks. When I went home, there was a proposal. and I think he came from the Gulf. His shoes had golden lines and red socks. So both of us, I went to Mary and said, Mary, no, 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 this is not the one for you. He's wearing red socks.
What would you like to give Mary on her retirement?
My advice is, as everybody knows, I am single, but my family is big. Mary is single, her family is big. And it's bigger and wider all over because we have lots and lots of children. And in 93, when I took my mother to US, somehow many children came to know that Miss Indrama is there. And in the evening, I used to get so many calls from Minneapolis, from Los Angeles and everywhere, though I was in Huntington. First question they would ask, how is Sister Geraldine, how is Clooney, how is Miss Mary Fernandez? These three sentences were always with everyone. And when I came here to London, in one day, Sister Bella Raj, Sister, I can never forget, my personality is due to Miss Mary. She said, she has asked us to keep our chin straight and keep our shoulder flat and go walk straight. And I would speak to any British telling them, this is our personality, what Clooney has taught us. And that is contribution to Mary.
Thank you, Indra. Now the stage is yours.
I don't have much to say. I've already spoken, and many have spoken right from morning. But biology we both shared, no doubt. And I think I spoke the other day also. But in Kannada, I put in 4 lines. Nudidare muttina haradantirabeko. Nudidare manikya deeptiyantirabeko. ನುಡಿದರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಸಲಾಕೆಯಂತಿರಬೇಕು ನುಡಿದರೆ ದೇವರು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಅಹುದು ಅಹುದು ಎಂದೆನಬೇಕು. That is the way, that is the total personality of Mary. You speak soft like muttinahara, string of pearls. Speak like precious stones which will shine. Speak like a rod which will speak only stick to the truth. And if you speak, God must say, yes, it is true and it is correct. And that is Mary. And one for the children, I would say, Vidya nama narasya roopamadhikam prachanna gupta